To connect wired headphones to your Samsung Galaxy A37 is fairly simple. All you need to do is simply ensure that you have adapters that you can be able to insert into the charging port so that you can connect your wired headphones. This is because the Samsung Galaxy A37 does not come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. So all you need to do is simply grab adapters like this. And if you're curious as to how you can get them, I'll leave the product links down below so that you can be able to purchase your own. Now, these are two different types of adapters. You have one singular one and you have a dual one. This dual one allows you to connect your wired headphones as well as a charging cable, allowing you to listen to music or to any audio while still being plugged in. So go ahead and just insert your headphones into the port on the adapter like so, and then insert the adapter into your charging port on the A37. And by doing so, they should now be successfully connected, and you can be able to use your headphones to listen to any audio coming from your Galaxy A37. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.